If this message found you today, it's because you are meant to hear it now. Not by chance, but by my will. I am Vishnu, the preserver. The one who protects the balance of the universe. And the balance within you. You struggle not because you are weak, but because you are attached. Attached to people. Attached to outcomes. Attached to the idea that life must unfold exactly as you wish. Today, sit with me for a moment. Let me show you what detachment and duty truly mean. Love is the most powerful force in existence. But when love becomes possession, it turns into suffering. When you say, my partner, my purpose, my success, my future, you build invisible cages. And then wonder why your heart cannot breathe. You fear losing what you cling to. And fear is the opposite of divine love. Love should feel like the infinite ocean, not a rope tied too tight. So I tell you, love, but without owning. Care, but without controlling. Hold, but with open palms. That is the love of a divine soul. You were sent here not to chase comfort, but to fulfill your dharma, your sacred duty. Yet many abandon their path to protect attachments that are already fading. Arjuna did the same. He feared loss more than he honored purpose. So I reminded him, when the world is breaking, and you can hold even one piece together, that is your duty. You do not grow by running from your destiny. You rise by walking into it. Your dharma may demand sacrifice. But sacrifice is not punishment. It is transformation. Detachment does not mean walking away from life. It means life cannot break you. You will feel emotions, yes. But they will not rule you. A detached heart can love without fear. A detached mind can act without hesitation. When nothing owns you, you become limitless. Remember this. The one who is free from fear of loss is the one who gives the purest love. That is the state I wish for you. Sometimes I remove certain people. Sometimes I delay something you wanted. Sometimes I close a door you begged to enter. In those moments, you look at the sky and ask, why, Vishnu? Why me? And I whisper, you cannot see what I am protecting you from. I never take away what your soul needs. I only remove what your ego clings to. The path you're given is the path your highest self has already chosen. Trust me. Trust timing. Trust endings. As much as beginnings. Child, listen closely. You are meant to be a warrior of the soul. Not a prisoner of fear. Not a servant of desire. Walk your dharma with courage. Love without attachment. Serve without expectation. Release what tries to break your peace. Life is not about holding on, but rising above. And I will walk beside you, as long as your heart remains aligned with truth. If this message reached you today, it is because you are ready. Ready to detach from fear. Ready to choose purpose over comfort. Ready to step into the path I created for you. If you feel this message in your soul, write in the comments, I choose detachment and duty. And your transformation begins here.